to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at our brand new 2022 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Got a beautiful boat here, starting up at the bow, stainless steel anchor that's windlass. This is optioned with the 3-zone gel coat scheme. Got the white upper, black middle, and the white hull bottom, which really ties into the power tower up there. As we take a look at the stern of the boat, got a really big swim platform here. Got the dune sea deck, submersible swim step. So this is power actuated. It lowers into the water when you're hanging out. Great feature for the lakes here in Minnesota. And then this does have the 2 trib tabs, the underwater lighting, Bravo 3, 350 horsepower Mercruiser. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Welcome inside our 2022 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Looking back here at the stern, this boat's built for entertainment. Got some nice seat backs here if you're anchored and just hanging out on the water. These can be easily adjusted up and down. Cup holders on either side. Boat's built for entertainment with your friends and family. As we walk over into the boat, we've got a nice big entryway inside. Got a built-in cooler here, as well as a freshwater rinse off, and then your transom remote. As you walk inside, got a nice wraparound seating here. This is, again, a power actuated tower. You can easily push a button and it goes up and down. And then we've got our speakers on either side. I want to point out some things with storage and fun. We've got a cooler down here, storage underneath the seats, and then this does have a built-in ski locker. Right now we have the bow filler cushion in there and the teak table. And then walking towards the helm, co-captain seat that does swivel, and then a nice big captain's chair here. Enough room for 2 passengers with a bolster seat. And sitting up here at the helm, big 12-inch Simrad display screens with all your engine, chart plotting, navigation. You can set this up however you would like, but everything is very accessible and easily controlled here at the helm. Taking a look at the head here, got a big area down below. It's really nice. You have the sea deck up here on the flooring, and then that just ties in down there too to the head. Nice recessed glove box. And then walking up to the bow, on some of those cold mornings here in Minnesota, we have a built-in door dam. And the fun doesn't stop there. Plenty of space up here in the bow, plenty of storage. Great place for friends and family to hang out on the lakes here in Minnesota. This boat is available at our store in Rogers, probably not for long, so feel free to give us a call, set an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.